Good morning, everyone. This is Buck with Solder Solutions. Welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to be on the lathe turning a top. I got a little something extra for this top. Hang in there with me and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Well, good morning, folks. I've got a piece of poplar. It's 2 3/8 by 2 3/8, and it is 6 inches long. What I'm going to do is turn this thing, get it round, and get it chucked up to my chuck. I have a chuck right here that I'm gonna get it to chuck up to this, and that way we can work off the end of it, because that's where most of your work comes from on the top. So let me get this thing round and we can move forward. Now I'm going to turn this a tenon so I can match my chuck. Well, I got it round. It lacks just a tick, but I can get that after I get it chucked up. The biggest thing is getting the tenon turned on it where it receive the, where I screwed them into my chuck. Shouldn't need that anymore. So, got my chuck up here. Now what I need to do, yeah, we're going to be fine right here. A top. I got a little extra for this top. I've got a little texturing tool. I think we can dress this thing right on up. I think y'all might like this. So let me catch this again. That'll work right there. Now, let me see if I can't get a There we go. That thing slid down on me. I didn't say earlier, this is poplar. This actually comes from a 4x4 that was hauling ductile iron pipe. When the truck got here, I grabbed it. Got me a nice little point right there. I'm going to take the back of the bevel, kind of rub that thing down. That makes it spin a little better. So what I've got, or what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this camera in here a little closer where we can get you a good view right here. Because off the end of this thing, when I start that texturing, is where it's going to be. So there we go. So now what I want to do, that's a good looking. Okay, so I've got this texturing tool. Yeah, I'm a little too close. Okay, I got this texturing tool. We're gonna see if we can't make this pretty. All right, let's. Oh yeah, check that out. Okay. Okay. Now, what I need to do now, kind of highlight or accentuate. Let's see. Yeah, okay, let's do that. All right, let's take a look at that. What I've got that may help us out right here is I got some pins of different colors. My selection's kind of, let's see. Okay, let's see. We can't make this thing look sharp. We're going to make her pop. Okay, let's see. Okay, get to the last one here. The colors I've chosen here is only pins I've got. Now that's sharp. That is sharp. When I make the top and I come back the other way, we'll do some on the back side right now. So let me touch this thing right here. Okay. Now I got one more thing I want to add. Okay, check this out. Check this out. Decorative, make it pretty. But now, all right, now what I want to do is go ahead and cut the rest of it out right here. What do you think about that? Yeah, that texturing really adds to it, don't it? Yeah. Listen, y'all hung on me with this long. I sure do appreciate it. And if you will like, comment, and subscribe to me, if you're not already, because I had a subscriber that talked about me doing a top, and I appreciate him turning me on to it. And until next time, y'all be safe now.